Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an LG brand washing machine and it's giving you an LE error code and you're wondering what this is and how to get rid of it, especially because if you have an LE, your machine's not going to be working at all. And that is because the LE error means that it has detected that the drum is unable to spin. So you need to figure out why it's unable to spin. And there's a couple things that could be going wrong here. The first thing to do is just just look at how much you put in the washer and say, did I overload the washer? Because sometimes if you put too much, because the machine protects itself, so if it's too hard to spin, instead of trying to force itself and then damaging itself, it will just stop and it will give you this error. So if you've got like a ton of stuff packed in here, a ton of heavy, dense stuff packed in here, take some of it out and try to start the cycle again. If that doesn't work, you want to get in here and just inspect. Can you see anything physically, like maybe some like a button or something, or some foreign object, like your kid had like a toy dinosaur or something like that in his pocket that ended up in here and it's preventing the drum from spinning? If that doesn't do it, I would just do a hard restart, which is just turn it off and unplug it for like 5 minutes, plug it back in, turn it on, and see if it doesn't start working. And then after that, if that doesn't work, you're better off calling a technician, because it might be something like, an actual issue with the motor being burnt out, the bearings and the bearings that need to be replaced, something much more technical that really needs to be done by a professional. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.